Hello everyone. Today, I would like to introduce you to the ROTEK Water Quality Test Kit. This kit can measure 17 different water quality parameters. Okay. Let's take a look at what's inside our water quality test kit. When you receive the kit, you will find a TDS pen and a 16-in-1 water quality test strip inside, along with operating instructions and a QR code service card. To use the TDS pen, simply turn it on by clicking the on/off button. The display will show the TDS value in ppm and the temperature. You can switch between TDS and conductivity mode by pressing the shift button. Let's start the test. This is the tap water from Taipei. The current test data is 46 ppm. Now, switch to conductivity. You can see it is 92 microsiemens. Or you can pour test water into this cap. It can be used as a temporary container for testing. Next, let's introduce the 16-in-1 test strips. There are 10 test strips in each foil package which can be stored for up to a year before being opened. The production date is printed on the back of the packaging. I'll then demonstrate how to use the 16-in-1 test strips. This foil bag is just opened. To use the test strips, simply dip them into the water for about 3 seconds, and compare the colors to the chart on the packaging. Be sure not to touch the color blocks when removing the strip from the foil bag. There will be 16 different color blocks, which show pH, hardness, hydrogen sulfide, iron, copper, lead, manganese, chlorine, mercury, nitrate, nitrite, sulphate, zinc, fluoride, sodium chloride, and total alkalinity respectively. When testing, simply immerse the test strip directly into the water for about 3 seconds. Count 1, 2, 3, and pick it up. To ensure accuracy, it's recommended to take a picture of both the test strip and its packaging bag side by side for color comparison. Then you can record the data on the complete water test kit record chart at the back of the user guide easily. The user manual provides a comprehensive explanation of how to use the TDS pen and test paper. The instruction is detailed and you'll find a water quality record chart at the back of it. After recording the values you just tested, you can access a form by scanning the QR code card in the pack. Fill in the form with the recorded values and submit it to us. We will then interpret the results of your water quality report and identify any issues that need to be addressed. We will also come up with suggested improvements for you. This is a comprehensive service included in our water quality test kit. That concludes today's presentation. Thank you.